Alright, so this is for the LXC200 power converter and step down adapter. So basically this comes with 4 USB units and three outlets for American use. And these are the adapters that you use when you travel abroad with your American product. Basically it covers almost every country right here. And this is instructions on how to use it. So the build is very simple. So you just plug in your product here, your 120 volt, and then this, for example, is an EU outlet. But whichever country you're at, just all you have to do is just plug in the corresponding adapter. So this would go into the wall. The other end will go into the power right here, and then you just turn it on, and it works as if you're at home. So like I said, it comes with everything you need here. Warranty information or customer service support is on the box. Instructions, the 4 adapters, the unit, and the carrying case, so you don't have to carry the box with you. You just put everything into the case, the adapters, put in your suitcase, put in your traveling bag, and that's all you need. Basically, you can power almost any product 200 watts and under into the current, and it will take care of everything else while you're traveling abroad.